scenic village of Marutham, nestled along the banks of the Kaveri River, life is simple but filled with warmth. The story revolves around Karthik, a kind-hearted man who returns to his native village after years of working in the city. Despite his success, Karthik feels a void in his life and yearns for the connection he once had with his roots. In the village, he reconnects with his childhood friends and meets Ananya, a schoolteacher who believes in nurturing young minds with dreams beyond their circumstances. Ananya's passion for education inspires Karthik, and they slowly develop a bond built on mutual respect and shared values. The peaceful village faces a threat from a powerful industrialist, Rajsekar, who wants to convert the fertile lands into a factory. The villagers, though hesitant, stand united under the leadership of Karthik and Ananya. Karthik, using his city connections, begins a legal battle while Ananya motivates the children and villagers to preserve their heritage and environment. Amid the fight, Karthik learns the true meaning of home and belonging. Flashbacks reveal how his father instilled in him the love for their land, a bond he had forgotten over the years. Ananya's unwavering faith in the village's future reignites Karthik's purpose. In a heartwarming climax, Karthik sacrifices a lucrative career opportunity to stay in the village. With the help of an old, forgotten landlord discovered by Ananya, they win the case. The village celebrates their victory with a grand festival. Months later, Karthik and Ananya start an eco-friendly agricultural school in the village, blending tradition with innovation. The final scene shows Karthik teaching a group of children under a banyan tree, as Ananya watches with pride. The village is seen thriving, a symbol of hope, resilience, and timeless bonds.